Hi you guys, Ruby here. So let's go ahead and create a Catrina look. Be sure to save this video for your future Halloween or the other Los Muertos event. So I'm using the concealer from Lime Life. I'm gonna go ahead and pack this on. I didn't want to use facial paint as it dries and it's not really blendable. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the eyeshadow from Lime Life. This is one of the berry shades from my 18 well palette. I'm gonna go ahead and create that shade, that shape that I need for my eye. I did originally start above the eyebrows and then I took it all off and started over because I really wanted to keep my eyebrows. So now I'm going to go ahead and pretty much do the same thing on the other eye. Just go ahead and pack it on, blend out, trying to keep the same shape and form as your other eye. Just be careful you don't get any fallout in your eye as I did. I'm going to go ahead and blend out now that concealer that I applied on my face just to make it very smooth and flawless. Now I picked up this eyeliner from Lime Life. This is our waterproof eyeliner. It does stay put. I went ahead, as you've seen, shaded out the forehead. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my lower waterline, blending it out. And then I'll be adding some black eyeshadow just to set that eyeliner and also get that blended out. So now that we got that blended out, we're going to go ahead and start working on the cheekbones. We're going to go ahead and apply that, pack that shade onto the border line of that cheekbone and start slowly diffusing it out. We're going to go ahead and start working that black eyeshadow down. That eyeshadow is also, as you guys see, from my 18 well palette from Limelight by Alcone. I'm going to go ahead thereafter I get that blended out. I'm going to add like a dark plum that's on that same palette. And I'm going to go ahead and start diffusing those two colors together. Actually coming together pretty nice. I'm working pretty fast here, so keep up with me, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and start packing on that purple shade that I mentioned. I'm going to go ahead and kind of just blend those two shades together. Just kind of don't want to go too heavy on this shade so it doesn't look like just a smudge look. We want to have that blended effect where it's kind of working its way down. Thereafter, I'm going to go ahead and add that berry shade on top of those two other shades, the black and the purple. So I'm picking up a different brush for this one, packing it on, dabbing it out, and I'm pretty much just setting it on there. Now I'm going to kind of just long strokes work it down and bring those shades down to give it that full effect that I need for my cheekbones. Unfortunately, I didn't have time on this look to create the teeth that I wanted to. I was literally running out of time, but I'm definitely going to go ahead and create another look at another time of a Catrina, and I will be incorporating the teeth on the next look. I apologize, I am working pretty fast here, but nobody really wants to watch a 30-minute video. So I'm going to go ahead and I've been working on my decoration on the face with a liquid white eyeliner that I bought from Walmart, which I did not care too much for it, but it worked just for the day that I was using it. So I'm going to go ahead thereafter, add my rhinestones. I think that's actually what took the longest, is adding and gluing the rhinestones, but it actually came out really nice. I'm very pleased with the final look. So this is with the rhinestones already glued onto my face. I went ahead and added some eyelashes. I added a little bit of shimmery shadow to the tip of my nose, which you'll see that here. There it is. So this is what pretty much the final look is. I did add some lipstick. Like I said, I will do another look where I incorporate the teeth to make this look complete. But the crown we made, of course, and I think it really came out really beautiful. I had so many compliments at work. So many people stopped me to take photos. They stopped me to tell me how beautiful it looked. And so I was really pleased that a lot of people liked it. A lot of people didn't even know what a Catrina was. So it was really nice teaching and telling them the history of it. Well, thanks for watching, you guys. Take care.